Well, hello there. Sion Batson here from Sion Batson Tutoring, and in this video we will be discussing the rules for reflections. Very important concept for all of my 8th graders and all of my students getting ready to take the geometry regions. So let's go. Now we can reflect an image or a point over the x-axis, over the y-axis, over the line y equals x, over the line y equals negative x, or through the origin. Now, here are the rules. When we reflect a point over the x-axis, we will change the sign of the y-coordinate. Yes? When we reflect a point over the y-axis, we will change the sign of the x-coordinate. When we reflect a point over the line y equals x, we will reverse the order of the coordinates. When we reflect a point over the line y equals negative x, we will reverse the coordinates, then change the signs of both coordinates. And when we reflect a point through the origin, we will change the signs of both coordinates. So there are your rules, and I recommend that you write these rules down on index cards so you can memorize them properly. Let's work a few examples. So here we have the first example: reflect the point negative 9, 2 over the x-axis. Now what does the rule say? When we reflect over the x-axis, we will change the sign of the y-coordinate. Yes? So if I reflect this point here, P is equal to negative 9 and 2, and I reflect it over the x-axis, P prime becomes negative 9, negative 2. See that? All I did was I changed the sign of the y-coordinate. The x-coordinate remains the same. I only have to change the sign of the y-coordinate. Get the idea? Just follow the rules. Now, let's do a next point. Let's say I have the point, let's say my point is negative 5 and 0. Yeah? And I want to reflect this over the, let's say, x-axis. Let's say the y-axis. Let's say the y. Yeah? Now, what's the rule? When we reflect over the y-axis, what happened? We change the sign of the x-coordinate. Yes? Only the sign of the x-coordinate. So, let's put back our original point, negative 5, 0. And we're going to reflect it over the y. And the rule says when we reflect over the y, only the x-coordinate changes. So our new image becomes 5. Yeah? So all I did was change the sign of the x-coordinate. That's it. Pretty simple, yeah? All you have to do is remember the rules. Let's see. I'm gonna let you guys try one for me here. Let's reflect this point right here. Let's reflect the point. Let's call it A. Let's do negative 10, negative 7. Let's reflect it over the line y equals x. Pause the video, give it a try, then come back. Yes? Pause the video, give it a try, then come back. And see if we get the same answer. Okay. What did you guys get? Let's see if we will get the same answer. So we are reflecting over the line y equals x. And what does the rule say? When we reflect over the line y equals x, we will do what? Just reverse the order of the coordinates. So let's put back our original point, negative 10, negative 7. And we're going to reflect it over what? Y equals x. And the rule says to do what? Reverse the order of the coordinates. So -7, -10. That's it. We just reverse the order of the coordinates. Note, the signs remain the same. We don't touch the signs here. All we do is we reverse or switch the order of the coordinates. Get the idea? I hope you got -7, -10. Let's do a couple more. Let's reflect some point H. Let's say H is, let's say 4 and 9 over, let's say y equals -x. Again, pause the video and give it a try. Pause the video, try it, then come back and see if we get the same answer. All you're doing is following what the rule says. Now, welcome back. Let's see if we will get the same answer. So in this example, we are reflecting over the line y equals -x. And what is the rule for this reflection? The rule says we will first reverse the order of the coordinates, yeah? Then change the signs of both coordinates. So we have H. Let's put back our initial or the original point here. And we're going over what? Y equals -x. So our H prime becomes what? Or our new point becomes, we will first reverse the order. So we have the 9 comes first now. And change the sign of both coordinates. But both are positive. So they both become now negative. Yes? Make sense? That's it. Alright, let's do one more. And let me see what you guys are going to get here. Let's go to the origin. I don't think we did that. Let's go to the origin. So let's reflect the point. Let's call this point L. And let's say we have 0 and -8 through. Let's go to the origin. So I want you to pause the video again, try it, and come back. Remember to just follow the rules. We are going to the origin, and the rule for going to the origin is right here. Okay, welcome back. Let's see if we get the same answer. So we are going to reflect this point L to the origin. And when we reflect to the origin, the rule says you will just change the signs of both coordinates. Yeah? So let's put back our original point, 0, -8. And we are going to the origin, yeah? Right? What happens now? Our new point, we will just change the signs of both coordinates. That's it. So 0 stays 0. Because you can't say -0 or +0. So 0 stays the same. But the 8 now becomes positive. Because here it is a negative. So we have to change it to positive. Because the rule says when we go to the origin, we must change the signs of both coordinates. So the new point will be 0 and 8. Get the idea? It's a very simple concept here. Just rules to remember. So again, I highly recommend that you get index cards and write these rules down. Okay? Once you memorize them often, they will stick. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I really hope you guys find it useful and helpful. Until next time, enjoy your math homework and remember to practice. See you.